In today's video, we will talk about some amazing products of Amazon. All these products are very useful and we found them after a lot of research. Watch the video till end to know about all these products. Before starting the detail of each product, if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. The bopai Intelligent Expandable Large Smart 15 inches backpack is a fusion of modern technology and practice design, tailored to meet the demand of contemporary lifestyle with a focus on both functionality and aesthetic. This backpack aims to enhance the convenience and versatility of your daily travel. Intelligent expandable design. The backpack features an intelligent expandable design that allow you to adjust its capacity according to your needs, whether you are carrying a few essentials or a full load of gear. The backpack adapts to your requirement seamlessly. Smart technology integration. The smart features incorporated into the backpack elevates its utility. It may include integrated USB port for conventional charging on the go, RFID blocking compartments for enhanced security, or even Bluetooth connectivity for tracking and locating the backpack using a mobile app. Spacious and well designed. The large 15.6 inches main compartment offers ample space to accommodate laptops, tablets, books, and your belongings. Multiple pockets, divisors, and compartments ensure efficient organization, making it easy to access your items without rummaging through the entire backpack. Durable and high quality materials. Crafted from durable and high quality materials, the backpack is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Water resistance or waterproof materials provide protection for your belongings in various weather conditions. Comfortable ergonomic design. The backpack prioritized with an ergonomic design. Padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel contribute to comfortable carrying experience even during extendable periods. Professional and stylish aesthetic. The design of bopai backpack combines professionalism with a stylish pair. It is suitable for both business and casual use, ensuring you make a statement wherever your day takes you. Security features. Beyond RFID blocking technology, the backpack may include additional security features such as lockable zippers, hidden pockets, or anti-theft designs, enhancing the security of your valuables during travels. Versatility for travels. The backpack is well suited for travels, with features like a luggage strap for convenient attachment to suitcase handles and a TSA-friendly laptop compartment for easy airport security checks. In summary, the bopai Intelligent Expandable Large Smart 15.6 inches backpack is a thoughtfully designed accessory that seamlessly blends technology, style, and functionality. It caters to the need of modern professionals, students, and travelers who seek a reliable and smart solution for carrying their essentials with ease.